2023 Acura RDX. I'm gonna do the oil light reset, so you can go ahead and start the vehicle. Locate your screen. Navigation button that we'll be using is this one, so we're gonna scroll up and scroll down. So scroll up or down. This time I'm scrolling up until you reach maintenance. Once you reach maintenance, you use the scroll button, press and hold it. Alright, so that was a long time, so you can scroll down to reset whichever particular item you want to reset. So I'm gonna reset all due items since it's only the oil change that's due. So use the same button, press it down, press OK, and we're at 100%. So that's it.